Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to change the screen timeout in Nokia 3310 mobile phone. So you can change the backlight duration if it is turned off very quickly, so you can change it. So first of all, you have to go into the menu option by pressing the middle button. So I go into the menu option, then I scroll down, okay, and then I select this icon, okay, which is called settings. Okay, so select the settings option. Okay, so I select it, and once you select it, you have to scroll down, okay, and then select this display settings option. Okay, so just select this display settings. So once you select the display settings option, you see the second option. Once you scroll down, you see the second option over here is about backlight. Okay, so just select it. So once you select it, there are two different options. So the first option is about the intensity. If you want to save your battery life in an 3310 Nokia, so you can reduce it by pressing this button. Okay, so this ring, left side of the ring. Okay, so you press it, so you can reduce it. So you can see over here, now it is reduced. Okay, so if you want to increase it, you can increase it. So I put it to maximum. And then the second option over here, once we scroll down, the second option is about timeout. So the timeout is about when you are not using the phone. Okay, so the screen will automatically turn off. Okay, so you can set the timer for it. So if you want to change this timer, because I select it for 120 seconds, so if you want to change it, so just select this button over here, which is change. Okay, so just press this button. I press this button, and then you see there are five different options over here. So if you want to take it to 10 seconds, just scroll upward and you see this 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, the screen will turn off. Okay, so this is basically to save your battery life. If you want to save your battery, so I select this 10 seconds. Okay, so now it is select for 10 seconds. Okay, so I will save it. So the last thing you have to do is you have to save it. So press this middle button. So now the settings are saved. Okay, so now I will go back. Okay, and then I will not use this phone for 10 seconds, and then I will show you, it will, the screen will automatically go off. So you can see over here, now it is going off, and then after a few seconds it will completely turn off. Okay, so this is how, so you can see over here, so now you can save your battery. Okay, the screen will be turned off automatically after 10 seconds. And if you don't want to see your screen, so it's okay. If you want to turn it on again, just press any button and it will turn on. Okay, so if you want to increase the timer, you can also increase it, as I increase it for 120 seconds. So again, go to the menu. Okay, and once you enter into the menu, just go into the settings icon. So select the settings option. Okay, so just select the third option, which is the display settings. Once you enter into the display settings, you see the second option of backlight. So just select it, and then the second option, timeout. Okay, and then you can just select it. You can just change it by pressing over here. So change, and then here you have all the options. So for example, if I want the 120 seconds or 60 second, whatever time you want, you can keep it. So I keep it for 120 second. I press OK, and then I press save. So now it is saved. So this is how you can change the backlight duration in Nokia 3310. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.